Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Monarch Money for tracking investments and net worth, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official Monarch Money website. On the home page, locate the Sign Up button, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Read through and accept the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. After completing the form, click the Create Account button to submit your information. You'll receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the provided verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Monarch Money website and log in using your email and password. Upon logging in, you will see an introductory tutorial guiding you through the platform's features. Follow along with the tutorial to familiarize yourself with the layout and available tools. Now, let's set up your investment tracking. On the dashboard, find the Investments section. Click on Add Account to begin linking your investment accounts. Select your financial institution from the list provided or use the search bar to find it. Log in using your online banking credentials to securely connect your investment accounts. Once connected, Monarch Money will import your investment data automatically. Review the imported accounts to ensure all information is accurate and current. Next, navigate to the Net Worth section to track your overall financial health. Here, you can manually enter assets such as real estate and savings accounts. Make sure to also include any liabilities, like credit card debts or loans, for a complete picture. Check the summary to see your current net worth displayed prominently. You can revisit and update your investment and net worth data as needed. Finally, explore additional features like budgeting tools and reporting options to enhance your financial tracking. Congratulations, you are now set up to use Monarch Money for tracking your investments and net worth. Take your time to explore the platform and utilize its resources to make informed financial decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.